Hey guys, today I'm going to help you with interpolation. So most students find it hard to interpolate, so I just made up a way so that you can use your calculator to interpolate to save more time and have more time to write the rest of the test. Okay, this is how it goes. Simply, in interpolation, you are given you have to find a point that is missing in a graph or maybe represented in a table format, but it's the very same thing. So this is how it's done. First, just go to your calculator and say it's can be, or this can be done using any Casio calculator, just as long as it's this kind of calculator, this structural. Not don't have to be a 991 gray calculator, but I truly recommend this one. Set up, and you're going to press option number 3, stats, and press option number 2, the linear, and you're going to land to this display. What you're doing here, you're just going to put numbers that are in between the number that is in question, because these are missing coordinates, which is coordinates supposed to be A and B, but in this case it's only A. So working on that, you just put numbers that are in between the questioned number. So it's going to be 10. You press equal sign, the next number in between the question number, which is 20, it's 30. Then and then you're going to hover using your replay button to the y's the p's here. B, you put your 50, the number I put in the in question number or the unknown number, it's 50, then equal sign. The next one is 100, then you put your 100 here, 100, I missed the 0. Okay, and then say equal sign. Then you've recorded all 4 numbers between the number in question. Then you press your AC button. Then the X for the number in question, or should I say the A for the number in question is 20. You put your 20 and you say equal sign. Then you say shift. Button number 1 stats, and number 5 rack, and you're looking for B is more of like Y, because this is X and Y. That's how it's normally done, but they use AB in this case. And then 5 is Y, and you put your 5 and answer, then you put equal sign, and they tell you that here it's supposed to be 75. Simple. If you don't believe, for some reasons that people who don't believe in machines, they just, why, how it happened, you could just use the traditional way of interpolating and you still get the very same answer. And let me do it for you here. Difference between the two numbers, and it's going to be 20, obviously. Difference between these two numbers is going to be 50. It always is, it is interpolated traditionally. And the difference between the smaller number or the previous number and the number in question is 10. The difference between the previous number and the mystery number that we don't know, I call it x. And then you cross multiply and solve for x, you're going to have 5 this times this, or let me use a different color. No, this and this and this. Simple. This times this going to be 500 divided by 20 is equal to x. Then you can use your calculator. The answer is obviously 75, but for some people don't believe, they just want to use calculators. But it's very safe to be safe than being sorry. So always use your calculator, even if it's simple numbers that you think you can calculate or compute using your head. It's 25, sorry, it's 25. Then remember, in interpolation you have to take that 25 and add it on this 50 plus 25, and then you get your 75 that belongs here. Thank you. Subscribe, share, and comment, and ask for content. And if you're having problems, just hit the comment and I'm going to reply ASAP. Thank you.